We talk about how can you select caller ID on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on calls, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to caller ID, and here can you select here your caller ID in this list here. That's all you have to do here. So if you want to add full screen or classic, pop here. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.